All right, guys, hopefully you can see me nice and clear here. I'm in Travis's shop. This is up in the paint area here. All right, if you can see, it's all of Kat's car's parts. So let me just turn this around so you can see everything. I'm just like ecstatic right now. So they're taping some things off. You can see her car's taped off here. They did spray the engine bay already, and they sprayed wherever the hood, is it even in here? I think it might be down below still. They sprayed the underside of the hood. Now he did, it's hard to show, like the car, it looks glossy, but it also looks dull. If you see this red stuff that's all over it, I guess it's, again, excuse my ignorance here. He just explained it to me, and I'm just so excited I kind of forgot already. It's a way to keep overspray off the car. It's something that once the car's all said and done, you can literally rinse it off with water. So there is dirt and dust actually on the car right now. That's actually on top of that red stuff, because obviously they rolled in here and they've been doing body work again. He said he didn't want that obviously in the debris of the car. So it's like this weird red liquidy stuff, and he said it gets on there and then they'll go through there. Now, he already said too, he's going to spray this black from factory. I asked him about that. He said all new cars, he's like, I don't know why, but he said all new vehicles, like these lower rad supports, they're all black like that. So he's gonna spray this black so it looks like factory. You can never see it anyways, but he's like, I want to spray it black, and he's gonna put like a protectant on it or whatever. So yeah, I'm very, very, very excited right now. If you can see the car here, getting it all taped up. The only thing I didn't get replaced were these. You can't buy these still, which is very, very freaking annoying. I wish I could buy those, but he's even doing the drip rails here. Everything. Everything's getting sprayed, and I have all new seals for it, so don't worry, I'm putting brand new seals in it. Some things he did leave in because I wasn't sure if you could buy them. So if you guys see anything, it'd be like, if anything you guys question on the car, it's something that's my fault if you think anything's wrong per se. Because I had told him what he couldn't remove because I wasn't sure. So anything you guys think might be wrong, or oh, this painter could do this better, blame me, because it's my fault because I don't know. So I had him keep these clips in because I wasn't sure. Again, like, all gets covered, you'll never be able to see it, but I told him just to leave it in. He's going to spray everything, so it's not just going to stop there. He's spraying the entire back too. He's using some clear coat that I guess gases out very fast too. It costs a little bit more. It's like whatever. I think it was like $600 a quart or something insane. Then for the doors here, you can see he's taping it all off. He's gonna spray the whole way in through here, obviously the outside. Get the rear bumper. Gotta love an OEM USDM bumper. It doesn't have that stupid cutout, so I wanted to make sure some time was spent on this. I've got all new clips for this too to hold the bottom in. This is a 93, 96 bumper. I did have to drum out the side to put in the 97, 98 turns. He did. Let me go ahead and get up here. If you can see here, guys, I had him fill this all in, and then he structurally, if I get up under here, he fills it there, and then what he does, he runs like a little bar underneath of it, so it keeps a little bit more rigidity. The fenders here, we did notice though, this one still has it. Like, this is the door for the passenger side. You can see here, Toyota R dot, meaning the door had been replaced, same with the quarter panel, and I believe the one fender had it too. So whoever had this, they smashed up the side of it pretty good, and then instead of fixing it, the company did the right thing and bought brand new Toyota door, brand new Toyota fender, brand new Toyota quarter panel. Everything was brand new from Toyota. So it does suck, but at least they bought OEM parts. These aren't like knockoff brand stuff, so it all fits up very nice. Trying to see if there's anything else here. Getting very, very close to getting done here, guys. Again, I know he's ready to have it out. Oh, one other thing I want to show you guys too, we did remove, I shouldn't say we, Travis went ahead and removed all the rock guard. So the panels back here have no rock guard. If we come down here, he took his time and removed all the rock guard across here. And then the lower parts of the fenders also have a rock guard. He went ahead and removed. All the welding's done, you can see here. So there would have been a hole right here for where the wiper skirter comes up through. He went ahead and welded that shut. I can't even tell where it was at before. Somewhere like in this area. I don't even remember where it's at, but you can't even tell. He welded up this one we keep because that's wiring that goes back for the hatch. Which is another thing I can't see right now is where the hatch is at. Guess I should point that out too. You guys can see here there is no antenna. I always remove the antennas because it is 2020 and they're pretty much obsolete now. You can get better reception doing multitude of other things, so always have them shave that off. And once I can find the hatch and the hood, I'll look into that a little bit more. Got that ice cold keystone. Yeah, he's doing a great job. I'm like ecstatic right now. I wish Kat could have came up here with me. Again, taping everything off here. I was like, I'm a little surprised. I thought there'd be more overspray on things. I'm just used to like being a lot of overspray on stuff. And I'm not seeing that, which is, I shouldn't say shocking, but I'm just used to shops just saying screw it, right? This just looks phenomenal right now. Like, he even sprayed the whole way up in here too. He's like, if you know it's off, it's one of those things, might as well do it, right? The only thing he didn't take off, he didn't take the hinges up front here. He said he purposely doesn't take those off, and then take these off just for alignment of the hood. And then for the doors here. Now, he does take the latches off back here. If you guys know, when you take these off, there's actually a plate behind it that allows you to shimmy up the door so that plate will fall down and out, which he already knew that because it's Travis Beaver and these guys are excellent. Again, if we come up here, it's this side for the drip rail, you can see. Again, for the drip rail, you can see. I'll get some more video this weekend for you guys. And if people ask about, like, I told him not to worry about the wheels and tires. They're NA wheels and tires. If anything, I'll, sell them later on, but I'm not really worried about it right now. Come down here. He said he's gonna tape all that stuff off then. The car's just gonna look so much nicer. Just in next level nicer. I'm just pumped, beyond pumped actually. Just trying to go over as much as I can. Again, any dirt and grime you guys see, again, it's from that red liquidy stuff that literally washes off when said and done. Now, I'm probably, when I get back to the house too, I'm probably going to take this subframe out of it now. And there's things I wasn't going to do, but now I'm going to do. So I'll have to take that out. I'll probably have this bar powder coated. I'll probably have that all sprayed off and powder coated. And same thing with the rear subframe there, or front subframe there. Have that all coated too. I need to do it within reason because they do use that for grounds on certain parts of the car. So yeah, pretty pumped. So now I'm done my sporadicness. I'm just gonna try and walk around the car just a little bit here so I have that video, but again, guys, I'm like stoked right now. I'm actually gonna walk down, see if I can find the hood for this thing and take a look for that, look at the hatch and stuff. And then he's also painting my cool cover for my Supra right now for the fact that it's got that red brake setup now. So I'm gonna go to a red coil cover. So he wants me to take a look at that. As he said, there's a few things wrong with it, which I know there was. So we'll see how bad it really is.